What I have here today is the Big Kahuna cheesesteak by Jersey Mike's. Wow. He got peppers, onions, jalapenos, cheese. Just doing a little organizing there. And portobello mushrooms. I think they're portobello. Let's get into it. Big Kahuna cheesesteak. First off, I taste that cheesy steak. Oh, this has extra cheese on it too. The Big Kahuna one does. Cheesy steak is just delicious. I caught a little bit of the heat from that jalapeno. Jersey Mike's does not mess around. That is a really good cheesesteak. And with the addition of the jalapenos, I like it. It's not like lettuce and tomato, which I've added to a cheesesteak. It takes something away. It doesn't add, it actually takes away. But mushrooms, jalapenos, that's a nice addition. I'm going to go 7 out of 10 flushes. You saw it right, you heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell somebody you love them.